The present tense describes actions that are happening right now. In German, the verb changes its form depending on who is doing the action. Unlike in English, where the verb often stays the same, like for example, I understand, you understand, we understand. In German, the verb changes based on the personal pronoun. This is why it is important to become familiar with the German personal pronoun. Most German verbs in their infinitive form end with en or n. Some examples are verstehen, to understand, gehen, to go, lernen, to learn, and tun, to do. To conjugate regular verbs in the present tense, follow these steps. First, remove en or n from the infinitive to get the verb stem. Then, add the correct ending based on the personal pronoun. These are the standard endings. Ich ends with e, du ends with st, sie, s ends with t, wir ends with en, ihr ends with t, sie for they ends with en, sie formal you ends with en. Notice that wir, sie for they, and sie formal you all share the same en ending, which is the same ending as the infinitive. Example with verstehen. Remove the en and add the endings. Ich verstehe, I understand. Du verstehst, you understand singular. Sie, es versteht, he, she, it understands. Wir verstehen, we understand. Ihr versteht, you understand plural. Sie verstehen, they understand. Sie verstehen, you understand formal. As you can see, the ending always depends on the personal pronoun. Let's group them for easier memorization. All plural forms except ihr use en, just like the infinitive. Ich ends with e, du ends with st. The other singular forms sie, es, and the plural ihr both use t. And that is how the present tense works in German for regular verbs.